Good morning, students. How are you all? I wish you all are fine. Okay. In earlier classes, we have discussed about rational number and also its property. Not, but not all. We have discussed only closure property. But in this session, I am going to discuss about other three properties: commutative, associative, and distributive properties. Okay. In closure property, we have discussed. You learned that the sum of rational numbers is always rational. Subtraction between two rational numbers is always rational. Multiplication of two rational numbers are also rational, and division between two rationals are also rational. That means rational numbers is applicable. Sorry, closure property is applicable for rational number for all operations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now I am going to discuss about commutative property, which means about move or exchange the number. Associative property means move the bracket, and distributive property means move the operator. In this session, I am going to discuss each topic line by line. Just look. Commutative property. Commutative property. Move or exchange the number. For example, 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is always equal to 3 into 4. That means there is no any effect on the result by exchanging the both the numbers. This is commutative property of natural number. Similarly, in rational number, 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 is also equal 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3. There is no effect on exchanging the number on the result. मतलब 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 का वैल्यू देखिए कितना आएगा 3, 4 plus 7 11, and also right side 7 plus 4 11 by 3 ये भी. That is there is no any effect of exchanging their places on their result. So this property hold for rational number on addition. Therefore you can say that commutative property is applicable for rational numbers, applicable for addition. Similarly, you can see on subtraction. Let's another example like 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8 is equal to 4 by 8 minus 7 by 8 or not. Let's see. 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Its result is LCM 8. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. But its result is 8. LCM 8. 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. Is both are equal? No. That means commutative property is not applicable for subtraction. Okay. Therefore, you can say that commutative property is not applicable over subtraction. ये ठीक है? Over subtraction. ये भी over कर देते हैं. Over subtraction. Okay? Let's see. What about multiplication? Third. Minus 9 by 4. Another is 7 by 4. Exchange the numbers. 7 by 4 into minus 9 by 4. If the results are same, then it is applicable over multiplication, otherwise not. Minus 9 into 7, minus 63. 4 into 4, 16. And also 7 into 9, minus 63. 4 into 4, 16. LHS and RHS, both results are same. That means it is applicable. It is applicable over multiplication. Over multiplication. Similarly, you can see for division, like 8 by 3 into 9 by 4. Is it applicable? Sorry, we have to use division. Okay, 9 by 4 is to 8 upon 3. Its value is 8 by 3 cross 4 upon 9, 9 upon 4, 3 upon 8. Okay, its value is 8 4 32, 3 9 27, 9 3 27, 4 8 32. You can see here their values are not same. That's meaning it is not applicable. It is not applicable for over division. You understood? Commutative property for addition is applicable over addition for rational numbers. It is not applicable over subtraction for rational numbers, and commutative property is applicable for multiplication but not for division. Meaning commutative property only hold for addition and multiplication over rational numbers. Okay. Now I am going to talk about associative property, whose meaning is move the bracket. Okay. Now I am going to talk about associative property of rational number over all operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Associative means move the bracket. Like you have already studied in your previous classes associative property over natural numbers. Like addition पे देखें a plus b plus c. There are three numbers. If you want to add them, then we can easily add a plus b then c. Otherwise, you may add a plus b, firstly b plus c, then the result will be added to a. There is no end effect on their results. तो जैसे a plus b को ऐड करके c में ऐड करें, या पहले b plus c को ऐड कर ले फिर a को ऐड करें, तब भी कोई रिजल्ट में फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. उसी तरह होता है एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर रेशनल नंबर. हम लोग देखेंगे कैसे, ध्यान दीजिएगा. ये एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर एडिशन फॉर नेचुरल नंबर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट रेशनल नंबर. इज इट एप्लीकेबल और नॉट? लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट, ओवर एडिशन वी कैन सी हियर. लेट assume three rational numbers, any number. You may use general form for it, but it is difficult to write. Okay, let's see. Like three numbers, 2 by 4. Just assume any three numbers and you may write it. It is so lengthy for showing these examples. You may try it. I am just writing which are applicable and which are not applicable. Okay, let's see. First, associative. It is applicable over addition. Over addition. How? You may check examples. 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3. I am taking same denominator because due to it our calculation not be lengthy. If you change, then there is no effect, but our calculation may be lengthy. Okay, so I am not changing their denominators. Plus 1 by 3 is also equal to 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3. You may check it. Okay. Second, it is not applicable over subtraction. Okay, how is it? You may check. Take any two examples. Like I am using general form. You may use any number like a by b minus c by d minus e by f. This not equal to a by b minus c by d minus e by f. You may use it. Okay, it is in general form. Third, it is applicable over multiplication एग्जाम्पल आप समझ सकते हो a by b into c by d into e by f. These all are in general form. Okay, and it is also equal to a by b into c by d into e by f. This bracket means first we are multiplying these two numbers, then this result will be multiplied with e by f. Okay, and this bracket means firstly we are multiplying c by d into e by f, then its result is multiplied with a by b. That means associative property is applicable over addition and also for multiplication, but not hold for subtraction and division. Let's see how it is applicable over, it is not applicable over division. How? You may check it. A by b division c by d division e by f not equal to a by b division c by d division e by f. In this firstly we have to divide a by b by c by d, then its result by e by f. But in this we have to firstly divide c by d by e by f, and then its result is will divide a by b. You may check these both results are not equal. That means associative property is applicable over addition and multiplication, but not over subtraction and division. Okay, now I am going to discuss about distributive property over addition and subtraction. Distributive means move the operator. How? Let's see. Okay,